Okay, I've taken all the connectors out of the motherboard. This is what the motherboard looks like once it's completely disconnected. As you can see, there are some colors to the clips, so that's going to make it pretty self-explanatory, but like I said, it's always a good idea to take a picture ahead of time just so that you're 100% sure that you have the right clip back in the right connector. So I'm going to take this old motherboard and I'm going to put it back in the box, and I'm going to bring the new motherboard in and put it right back in that same spot.